In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two-factor authentication, also known as two-step verification, to your Hotmail, now Outlook.com, account. By enabling this feature within your Microsoft account settings, you can greatly enhance the security of your account. It's an excellent way to protect yourself from unauthorized access by requiring an extra step beyond your standard password. You can use an authenticator app or receive security codes via email or phone to verify your identity when signing in. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft account website where you normally log in. Enter your Hotmail email address along with your password to access your account. This is your primary gateway and where all the security options are housed. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the security settings of your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for a section that mentions security. This is usually found on the top menu or in the account settings area. Clicking into the security section is crucial as this is where you'll be setting up your two-step verification. While you're in the security settings, search for the option labeled either two-step verification or two-step authentication. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they mean the same thing. When you find this option, go ahead and switch it on. This is the moment where your journey to safer account management begins. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred verification method. Microsoft allows you a few options here. You can use the Microsoft Authenticator app, or you can opt to receive security codes via email or as an SMS message to your phone. Choosing the method that best fits your routines and ensures quick access is essential. It can be a good idea to review each method briefly to decide which one suits you best. Once you've made your choice, follow the on-screen instructions. This part varies based on the method selected. If you go with the Microsoft Authenticator app, you'll need to download the app, if you haven't already, and then scan a QR code or manually enter a provided key to link the app to your account. If you chose email or SMS, you'll receive a code that must be verified within the security settings. If you often use the Outlook app or other third-party applications, you might also need to create app passwords. This is a specific type of password that's used in conjunction with the authenticator for apps that don't support two-factor authentication directly. Now, it's time to complete the setup. After configuring your chosen verification method and handling any app passwords if necessary, your Hotmail account is now fortified with two-step verification. Congratulations, you've successfully enhanced the security of your account, providing an added layer of protection against unauthorized access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more secure in your online activities.